guys to my YouTube channel. Do you know that this background you are looking at is totally fake? If I mean fake, this is where I create the video. Like, this is where I create the video. I created the video here because I'm not fully monetized. I don't have money now. This is where I'm living as a student, you know. So I changed the background to this beautiful house you are looking at now. I've changed this back. So in this video, I want to teach you how you can do this. If you are an upcoming or a beginner in content creation, you can just try this if your background is not good. So you can just use this format. So make sure you like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and drop a comment. If you don't understand it, make sure you drop it in the comments so I can just mentor you again privately. So I'll teach you step by step again. So let's go into the tutorial class. So what you have to do is for you to go to your browser and download Beautiful House. Beautiful House. So after downloading the image, come here to our InShot tab. We click on it. So we click on this video. Then we click on this new project. Then we're gonna choose the background we are going to use. So we're gonna choose the background. I'm trying to look for the background. Where is the background? Yeah. So this is our background here. You can just, I've downloaded 3 type of background. So let me choose this one and click on, after choosing the image, click on this mark icon. So what we have to do next is for us to remove the watermarks and click on free remove. We want to remove the watermarks of this InShot. So as you can see, the watermarks have been removed already. So what we have to do now is for us to click on this PIP. Then we switch to video. Click on video. Then we scroll and look for the video we are about to remove the background. So I'm gonna choose this one. Then what we're gonna do next is for us to swipe to the right hand side and click on cut out. We click on it. Then we click on cut out again. It's cut out. So you have to wait for this thing loading here, this percentage to reach 100%. So you're gonna wait. You have to wait in order to make this video beautiful. It's in 98, 99, 100. So we're gonna click on this mark sign here. We click on it. As you can see, the background are removed. So what we're gonna do next is for us to expand this video. We expand it like this. We expand it a little bit.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
As you can see,
In this video,
so we click on this one and drag it to the video ending. As you can see, something like this.
hey guys, welcome back.
So this is the result, and you can just edit it very well. And then after editing, just click on export, and it's going to save directly to your phone gallery. So make sure you like this video, drop a comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.